Hi, we're going to be looking at repairing this Furby. It's developed the fault where you pull the towel and it no longer activates the Furby. It's a really easy fix, so stay with me to see how it's done. Okay, so first of all we do is just get a small screwdriver and take off the 2 screws there. So that type of screwdriver. This is how you would normally replace the batteries. So just take this panel off. And then the next stage is to undo all these screws here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see there, just need to take off each one of those. Okay, once they're all released, you can see this panel at the bottom just lifts out. We'll keep those with the screws. Okay, so all you need to do next is just get the fur on the back of the Furby and just pull it down a bit so we can see the tail mechanism. And then if we just sort of pull this bit back, I can show you how it works. The tail's connected to a sort of a hoop piece of cotton like so. And on the back of the Furby you've got a hoop here. And it's this one here, if you can hear the click, which is the one that activates the sound. So all you need to do is this loop through the one in the towel, like so, and then hook it back over the little notch there at the back of the Furby, as you can see. So pull that down, and if you once you hold it down, give it a pull, and that will keep it in place. And if you try it from the tail as well, you can see that's now working. So it's as simple as that. The other thing that might have happened is yours is one of these ties have broken, so that it doesn't make the hoop. In which case you just need to find a bit of string to make it yourself. You might need to do a bit of sewing to sort of like sew it back into place. But essentially the tail needs to have a hoop, sort of that type of size, and this one here equally needs to just be a short piece, a short hoop there. Connect them like that, and as soon as you pull it, it'll just click. And make the activation on the Furby again. So you need to put it back together, which is done the same as taking it apart, just in reverse. And when it's all in place, you need to take your piece of plastic again, and you just see that there's a circle sort of notch at the top. It's got spikes on underneath, and there's a circle top of the Furby, and that just goes into place like so, and clamps down on the fur to keep it in place. A sign of approval that it's repaired, I think. Okay. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and if so, please do click on the like and subscribe buttons. I also have lots more videos and regularly upload new ones, so do subscribe to check them out, and I look forward to you joining me next time.